All right, greetings everybody. We are at Hannover Messe in the Schneider Electric booth. We're here with Ali Haj Fraj. Welcome.
Thank you.
The theme for today is circular manufacturing. And maybe let's start by a quick question around how can manufacturing balance the need for sustainable practices with pressure to remain competitive in a global market?
Oh, that's a great question. And happy to answer that. And I think I would like to start by having a common understanding of the situation. I think we have the thinking that sustainability is an expensive luxury, and it comes always with the contradiction to being more competitive. And I think this is wrong. We need to correct that. I think sustainability is, in the first place, is about reducing consumption of energy, reducing waste in materials, is by reusing things. So that's in itself bringing competitiveness, because it brings savings, it brings efficiency, and I think we need also in all our thinking to move from making the things like we take, we make, and we dispose, to reduce and reuse. So, and this is all what's all about sustainability. So, embracing sustainability in this context brings you more value, more efficiency, more savings, and making you more competitive.
Thank you for that. So reduce and reuse. Maybe talk about what's the role of automation in this.
Oh, that's automation is a big enabler here, because this is now where, if you go through all the life cycle of in the production, how the machines are designed, engineered and commissioned, taken into production, and then later on, maintained and so on, through all that process, there is a lot of efficiency you can bring to bring sustainability. It starts in the design and engineering by using digital twin, for example, being more efficient in developing the machine, and then when you design your machine, you can design it in a very flexible way, in a modular way that you can reuse it. You don't need for every new product per se a new product line, but you can also, with a very modular way and with the software, just adaptation on the software level, you can adapt your process quickly, etc. And you can increase the quality of your process, the output of your process, the waste of material through the better quality, you can reduce it. All of that is leading to a better usage of material and sustainability. But also let me highlight another topic. When we talk about sustainability, we need to look to energy and automation together. This is where you bring this also during the whole life cycle, starting from the design. You can optimize the whole system, power and process, in a way that you get the best energy consumption in your process, and that also it's an enablement coming from automation.
Thanks for sharing that. Now, maybe in your view, can you expand what the role of next generation motion mechanism integrating advanced robotics with AI-driven controls contribute to its competitiveness?
Yeah, absolutely. I think the idea here is to bring more flexibility and efficiency in the production process, and that means that we need more flexible and modular machines which they can adapt to the increasing challenges coming from the customer needs. Customers are changing their behavior, they're changing their needs. They want to have always new products with new features, etc. And we are showing here in Hannover Messe, for example, food and beverage processes. So the tastes are changing, the flavors are changing, the packages are changing fast. So, and you need to adapt. You don't every time to change all your production lines. So you need to make it flexible. And robotics and multi-careers, like for transport systems, but also software-defined automation, which is open, also to integrate other tools to converge IT and OT. All of that is making or bringing more efficiency, more flexibility, and more resilience into the manufacturing area.
So thank you, Ali, for that. Now, at Hannover Messe, you're showcasing the next generation motion system. I think it's displayed behind us here in the Modular machine, I think is pronounced. But maybe expand a little bit. What is it?
Yeah. Well, this is a new offer we are launching. You know that Schneider Electric has a very strong position in motion control, and we are continuing the success with the new offer, our next gen motion. What is it? Actually, it has an element also of software-defined automation. So it comes, the engineering tools comes integrated on our Automation Expert platform. So, and we are providing also here continuity to our customers with the current offer, which has been very successful, and we want to bring it into the future with IT-OT convergence, with integration of AI, with integration of compute and control in the same environment. So a lot of innovation, integration of digital twin. So that's on the software side. I think on the controller side also, it comes with a very powerful IPC controller, the Modicon M660. This controller is then enabled for and prepared to accommodate, like I said, control and compute functionalities. It comes with safety, with cybersecurity features, and it comes also with an I/O system, which is cutting edge in terms of data aggregation, and cybersecurity to enable even more digitization in the automation system. We are showcasing this with our partner Mura for a very high, very sophisticated machine, high-end machine for packaging. So it's wrapping multi-packs together. It's working with a very high productivity, more than 160 packages per minute. It's enabled and augmented with robotics, AGVs, and so on, which can be all integrated in the same automation environment.
Ali, thank you for sharing the insights. And if you're in the audience, you want to see the demo, it's here the whole week, or feel free to leverage the hashtag you see on the screen and ask the question for the right experts here at the Schneider Electric.
Thank you, Lucia.